Ka Chairperson ka National Commission for Women ka Rekha Sharma ka laong baki Kynthei hakani ka than shatay lam ingi ka India ki khamdan ka jingsngan shibon sha banya ki we ki jaka hari thor ka India. Habakran menta ka sngi ka pratarik naitung arja arpasaw ka Chairperson ka Commission ka laong bawatla ki kam thombor ki Kynthei ka lanang kiyo ka Commission kantrei ba omdei bandan tangka weiru ka kam thombor ki Kynthei. Hakaju ka por ka laong baki du ki long kami ki bakwa hi da kamon bandri khunrei da ka bakleme shong shu bat ulok kanlong da kumwei henrei da ki syai ha ulok da kabor ni na kanu kadaw ka commission kadon ka benta ban Tuklar halor kani kalaong baka commission kala penlong man kapor ki jingpen syai pat ba halor ki hok bat ki an ki bayadai ki Kynthei kena bakin tip bat sngut ho ban mi syakmat ban ujor ha baki syak thombor hayeng ne syabaru kumju Shushu kalaong bakat kum ka an thamai la da ushenrang ukular ban syong kurim bat ka Kynthei henrei usuthok hadin ba ulai syongkha ka an thamai kala perking ya kata ba umla ban le kumta halor ka jingkan rei udrok ka Chairperson kala ong bakam dei ban syukdokti tang ya ka sorkar ni ya ka commission ni ya kanu ka kenhun henrei ka imlang saklang ki don ka ju ka jingkit kli kala ong badai na kiru shimat ki bakwa bat raha tang ya ka spa baka imlang saklang kala hiardor hakini kisngi ka National Commission for Women kala penong ya ka jing ajing hikai ki longkumi jang ka than shitei lamingi ka India na ka benta bakin kamai spa na ki spa na khlau lait no na ki ding.
We have started this new initiative of NCW of capacity building tribal women and women who are residing around the forest to start their business or work in forest in the area of non-timber forest produce. This is one of the very new initiative which NCW is taking, especially for the northeastern women, because most of the northeastern women are tribals and there are many forests around northeast. So how they can increase their income in by working in the forest in these areas which is non-timber produce in the forest. We all know that women know and they have the knowledge about the forest and the produce of the forest, whether it is about herbal trees, about any new thing which are in the forest. But to increase their capacity, we have tailor-made this program, and it is 2 days program. There are many speakers, many resource persons who are working in this area, and they'll be teaching these women how to start their own business with these produce, and whether it is something herbal or ecotourism, or they can work in forest in managerial jobs, how they can be part of decision making in the work of forest areas. So this is the first program we have started from Shillong, and I hope this will be helpful for the women of Meghalaya. I think the number you are talking about, it is also because women are now aware of their rights and they are coming forward and speaking. That's why we see that number is, it seems that it is increasing. And media, you people are also now working around the clock and putting things for the world to see that these things are happening to the women. So number, yes, you can see, and police is also working around the clock and they are registering cases. So number is increasing, but I think we need to work on everywhere. I can say that northeastern area is still very safe for women if you compare with the plains of India, or if you compare with the north of India. There the kind of cases which are brutal against women are more, but still we need to work. There should not be even single case against women, and women should be safe and secure anywhere and everywhere, any part of India, and we are working, NCW is working on it.
In matrilineal Meghalaya, we have seen that there are cases of women commission in this field.
One of my member is local from this. Delina is local from this part, and she is taking care of each and every case which is concerning not only Meghalaya but every state of the northeast. So I think she is the better person to respond on this question. Single mothers by choice. If they are by choice, I think there is no need to intervene. If they have become by accident or raped by somebody or forced by somebody, that's a different issue. There we can intervene and help her out. But if they are single mother by choice, that's their right.
Maximum not choice. Husband.
How do I know? Because I don't have our data.
Your commission has done a study.
No, we did one this thing in I went to Kerala. One of the research we did in Kerala, but commission has not done any
Study
work.
was done.
Oh, long back.
Not long back.
Long back.
2021.
No, long back. We
So
did.
Ask your
are
chairperson.
you planning to conduct any study here in Northeast or in Meghalaya about this single mother?
In Meghalaya, if you are suggesting that there are many by forcefully they are becoming single mother, I would happily work on it and do a research. I'll ask Delina to do research and we'll see how we can help them.